Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to use Control Center on iPhone iOS 18. So one of the coolest features of the new iOS 18 is the new Control Center, which differs a bit from iOS 17 or earlier, and there is a lot of customization you can do on the Control Center or your iPhone iOS 18. So here I'm going to walk you through all the steps you need to take to use Control Center on iPhone iOS 18, how you can add controls, edit controls, or remove controls from the control center. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to use control center on iPhone iOS 18 is swipe down to control center like this. Then you're going to have access to default controls on your iPhone. Now first you want to add your favorite application, your favorite controls to control center. Just press and hold the control center like this. Then once you press and hold the control center, go ahead and click on add the control. So once you click on add a control, you have access to all the application, all the controls. You can add the control center on your iPhone. So to add any of these controls, all you just need to do is locate the control you want to add by scrolling through and then click on it. So let's say you want to add the Bluetooth control, click on the Bluetooth control, and it's going to add the control to the control center. Click on add the control as well. Locate any other application, any other control you want to add the control center, click on it. Then you should see it added to the control. Then once you've added all the controls you have here, just click outside. Then that's going to add the control to your iPhone control center on iOS 18. Now to remove controls here, all you just need to do is press and hold any part of the control center like this. Click on this plus icon on the controls you want to remove. Is that? So just scroll through the control center pages and then remove the controls you want to remove. And once you remove the control, just click outside. And then that's going to remove the control from your control center on your iOS 18 device. However, you can also adjust the size, the length, and breadth of the control center of the controls in your control center. To do this, just press and hold this, add the control whose size or breadth you want to adjust. Let's say the music recognition. Then you should see this button, just drag the button like this to make it bigger, or drag it down like this. So you can just use this to control the controls on your iPhone iOS 18 control center like this. And once you're done, click on outside, and you can repeat this on all the controls you have. You can also move the controls to rearrange them like this. Move the control from the control center, whichever page you have the controls in, you can move it across this control center page, just like this. As you can expand it, you can also expand it like this. So move your control to your best positioning, expand this like this, so like this. So that is basically how to use Control Center on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.